Hello! In this lecture we'll be defining two subscriptions for specific video category. The main assumptions we'll be working with here are that this video category is distinguishable and isolatable by URL path. What I mean by distinguishable is that, and I'll show you on the example here, is that the videos that we want to include in this subscription all share a common URL prefix. That is, as you can see here, that is connector script videos for this video here, and this video as well. By isolatable, I mean that the other videos which we do not want to include in this subscription have a different URL prefix. So you can see it here on this example that this video here, which we do not want, this video is part of this article, and we do not want to include it in the subscription scheme, it has a completely different URL prefix, as you can see here. It is important that this assumption is clear to you, because this is the most important mechanism that we'll be using in order to define the subscriptions in this particular lecture. If this is really not the case with your website, if your articles, that is, if your web pages containing videos that you would want to have included in the subscription do not have this property, that is, they do not share this common URL prefix, you might want to consider using the article ID property, which is explained in one of the next lectures. If your example is similar to the one that you've seen here, then you can just follow this scenario as we define two subscriptions for these three videos. So let's dive straight into it then. So if we navigate back to our connector dashboard here, and if we go to our subscriptions page, we can create a new subscription to be deployed for these videos. This subscription is going to need a title and description, of course, which is visible to the end user. So you want to put something here with a meaning. Let's put videos 1 month subscription as a title. And as description, let's put something like subscribe to all videos for 1 month. As match type, as we have seen in our lecture before, we need to put the path prefix match. And here comes exactly the important property that I was mentioning at the beginning of this scenario, and that is that we need to have this path prefix, or this URL prefix here, matched to all the videos that we want to be included in the subscription. Let's set the validity period to 1 month, and let's set the price to say €3. We do not need to associate a template because we're dealing with videos. So let's click on save. And if we would navigate back to our videos here, and if we refresh, we will see the subscription overlay appear for video 1, video 2, and video 3. We'll see furthermore that for this particular video, which is in category sports, the subscription overlay has not appeared. So the result is exactly as we wanted to have it, which is great. Now let's just add another subscription just to show you how this is done again. So we click on add subscriptions. We have to introduce again a title and description. So let's put video 6 month subscription. Subscribe to all videos for 6 months. Again, let's use the path prefix match here and copy our path prefix. Okay, let's set the validity period to 6 months. 6 months. Let's set the price to say €15, and let's click on save. And now if we navigate back to our video here, and if we refresh it, we'll see that another subscription offer for 6 months has been added for video 1, video 2, and as you can see, video 3 as well. So again, if you have a use case where you can distinguish your videos that you want to have this subscription applied to easily on the URL, this is the way to go.